Since we opened our doors in the year 2000, our community has grown, not only in its numbers, but also its services, diversity, and scope. In order to continue this growth and prepare ourselves for the future, we have embarked on an ambitious journey to construct a purpose-built facility that will better serve followers of the Ahlul Bayt in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. The new masjid complex will feature prayer and lecture halls, classrooms, outdoor and indoor recreational space, and dedicated facilities for burial preparation. Located in central Fairfax County, Virginia, minutes from George Mason University and close to major highways, the new center will be accessible for anyone living in the DMV area. With the grace of Allah, this facility will serve as a religious home and anchor for our community. It will be a source of spiritual rejuvenation, guidance, community building, and outreach. After years of preparation and prayers, we have submitted our plans to the county and will inshallah begin construction soon. We ask you to join us in this endeavor however you can. First, we ask for your du'as. Second, we ask you to enrich our community and programs with your participation and volunteering. And finally, we ask for your financial contributions to make this masjid and community center a reality.
إنما يعمر مساجد الله من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة ولم يخش إلا الله فعسى أولئك أن يكونوا من المهتدين.